Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever, said the man who lived to fight for a nation's freedom and died peacefully seeing it free as a bird. What Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi achieved in his life was a miracle. He lived in the hearts of millions of Indians and was respected by all. He moved the people with the sincerity and sacrifice. At his behest, they were ready to lay down their lives for the freedom of the country from foreign powers. Holding the hands of truth, non-violence, and sacrifices, Gandhiji always had a tough road to walk upon, but his endurance and self-belief kept him motivated. He was just another simple Indian, and his methods could be easily understood by both the educated and the poor. His humility and depth of understanding in the simplest of actions had made him the Mahatma. The ideological orientation of the NSS is inspired by the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi. Very appropriately, the motto of NSS is "Not me, but he." An NSS volunteer places the community before self and follow Bapu's footsteps by enchanting the motto "Education through service." NSS teaches its individuals to understand the community in which they work and understand themselves in relation to their community and identify the needs and problems and involve them in problem-solving process. Gandhiji once very aptly said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." NSS strongly believes that the core values of social work should include compassionate service to others, fostering dignity for all individuals, social justice, and promoting stronger human relationships. Gandhi's vision of Swadeshi is a universal concept, even though he propounded it in the concept of India's struggle for freedom. He used Swadeshi as a means to achieve India's Swaraj. It has been always the motive of NSS to promote the motto of Swadeshi, and that is evident from the following events conducted by us. NSS organized a patriotic song competition on the occasion of Independence Day and encouraged its volunteers as well as everyone to actively participate in the event to promote the feeling of Swadeshi among the volunteers. On 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, a solar making workshop was held in Shivaji College, conducted by the NSS team in order to showcase the power of Swadeshi products. A series of events were organized which explored the very essence of life, from painting to mandala art to all the possible activities of recreations. The webinars were mind-boggling and calming at the same time. NSS unit of Shivaji College organized a webinar on preserving Indian art under the series of IQAC because we believe art makes the world an immortal place. शिवाजी कॉलेज की राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना, कलांजलि कला और संस्कृति का सम्मान विषयक वेबिनार श्रृंखला में इन्हीं लुप्त होती ही संस्कृतियों के बारे में आपको बताने के लिए संकल्पित है. We organized a virtual tour of East India in collaboration with the NSS NSUT. The main motto of this initiative was to spread awareness about the North Indian states of a country which people don't generally worry about. NSS drew the attention of masses towards their status and conditions and the astonishing facts that are unknown to many. आजादी के आंदोलन के सबसे बड़े नेता रहे मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी भले ही खुद गुजराती भाषी थे, लेकिन हिंदी को लेकर उनका योगदान अतुलनीय रहा है. गांधी जी ने पूरे देश का भ्रमण किया और पाया कि हिंदी ही एकमात्र ऐसी भाषा है जो पूरे देश को जोड़ सकती है. इसलिए उन्होंने हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा बनाने की बात कही और इस बात का ज्ञान एनएसएस को भली भांति है. तभी तो हर वर्ष 14 सितंबर को हिंदी दिवस है. हिंदी दिवस को हमेशा हमने एक त्योहार की तरह मनाया है और इसी अवसर पर प्रत्येक वर्ष एनएसएस कविता और निबंध लेखन प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन करता है. Gandhi's teaching has also inspired us to spread happiness and positivity, to devote our mind body, and soul in the selfless service of the society and nation. Keeping this in mind, our team has also visited Sai Sahara Old Age Home and Earth Saviors Foundation. We witnessed some great cheerful moments with the residents. The clean person is not the one that runs away from the dirt, but the one who takes the time and efforts to tidy up a dirty setting. We have put the cleanliness next to godliness as there is a reason behind it. It has been observed from decades that just by making our surroundings clean, we can avoid hazardous events that may happen if we take cleanliness for granted. This combat against dirt started way before in time. So far walking on his creek, the NSS team has consistently promoted such issues which were being marginalized by conducting various events, drives, webinars, workshops. Along some competitions, our NSS team is promoting awareness. For instance, in 2018, NSS organized an enormous event, Human Chain for Cleanliness, volunteered by more than 100 students standing and working together towards the unanimous goal of having a clean environment. NSS believes cleanliness and hygiene are two faces of the same coin. One can think of his environment beautification process only when he knows the importance of self-cleanliness. Awareness about the sensitization steps to solve sanitation issues was held for implementing self-hygiene in rural areas. In 2019, NSS took an initiative for better learning of students by organizing the competition Swachhta Pakhwada, Swachhta Hi Seva, which prolonged for a week containing poster making, poetry and essays. Currently, NSS is engaged in organizing online competitions such as essay writing on plastic and climate change, followed by slogan and postcard campaigns under the event Swachhta Pakhwada. Our team has devoted their time and efforts for the cleaning of localities. The aim was to involve more people to make them understand about the efforts made by laborers and cleanliness workers daily. Mahatma Gandhi has always dreamt of equality among humanity irrespective of race, caste and religion. His views and policies of equality has been an inspiration to all the people across the globe. Gandhiji, in order to vanquish disparities from the society, has popularized the word Harijans, which means people of God. He believes that all human beings are equal and Harijans, along with everyone, have equal and similar rights. The team of NSS Shivaji College firmly believes in the ideologies of Gandhiji. Gandhi has paved the way towards an equal and non-biased society. Our team has always followed his way enthusiastically. In the year 2019-20, NSS Shivaji has organized an awareness drive in Rain Basera to get insights about the people living there and to mark the presence of Gandhi's principle of upliftment of society and abolishment of discrimination. As Gandhiji said, women must realize their full status and play their part as equals of men. He was the one who has involved women in political movements first time during Satyagraha. He was against child marriages, dowry system, barriers to widow marriages, etc. NSS team has also supported Gandhiji's ideologies on women empowerment. Our team has organized a visit to Saheli Camp, an initiative organized by Ladli Foundation. The aim was to create awareness about women's personal hygiene. Under this, we have also organized sanitary napkin collection drive and distributed them in Rain Basera. This was done to aware women about menstrual hygiene and cleanliness. As Gandhiji's principle taught us to spread smiles and to help society's underprivileged people, our team has visited Rain Basera and distributed rest to everyone. Also, our volunteers had shared some very happy moments with them. The concept of equality is not just restricted to caste and religion. It should also involve all mankind. Under this, in year 2020, our team has organized various webinars to create awareness about the LGBTQI and Kinner community, to inspire its participants of the event to respect each and every person. NSS team of Shivaji College considers each and every individual equal, irrespective of their caste, religion, and race. The Youth Club was officially launched on an online platform, Fit India Youth Club, on 15th August 2020. NSS Shivaji College was also part of this initiative and conducted various games, both indoor and outdoor, which were organized while following COVID-19 safety norms. From yoga to aerobics to cycling and jogging, there were a variety of games. Under the aegis of IQAC and series Arogya, A Sense of Healthy India, the NSS unit of Shivaji College organized several webinars on cancer awareness, adolescence, healthy lifestyle, etc. Under the aegis of IQAC and series Arogya, A Sense of Healthy India, the NSS unit of Shivaji College organized several webinars on cancer awareness, adolescence, healthy lifestyle, etc. A well-balanced diet with a combination of all necessary nutrients plays a vital role in growth and development of our mind and body. Thus, a nutrition guide was posted on our social media handles to make everyone aware about all the 7 major nutrients which are essential for a healthy and happy life. Yoga has been a part of Indian culture since time immemorial. Yoga and meditation are the means which help us to achieve better controls over the physical, mental, and emotional realms of life. Keeping these objectives in mind, we organize various programs conducted by yoga experts. This year too, based on the theme introduced by the UN, Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home, NSS unit did several interesting activities to bring awareness about the same. NSS Shivaji College feels proud to share Gandhiji's influence on NSS and how his principles still govern the community services. As mentioned before, Shivaji College has tried its best to leave no stones unturned by influencing individuals towards community services. It is playing a vital role in creating awareness, cleanliness campaigns, plantation drives, and blood donation campaigns for the betterment of the society. Following Bapu's mission of an ideal society, the volunteers of NSS are working really hard to bring the change in society where people are happy and content. Many people consider working with NSS as an opportunity to contribute something beneficial to the society. Besides this, they believe that activities like collection drives, plantation drives, different competitions are a way to develop personality skills, capability, and knowledge by enhancing social consciousness and fostering sense of responsibility. We believe that let the entire world be happy. So, if we all have a little more of something, whether it is happiness or some other stuff, we should consider sharing it with the ones who are a little unfortunate than us. Therefore, keeping in mind Gandhiji's principle, we all should work for the community and lend a helping hand towards other people in need for the same. Thank you.